I don't know if that was a tiger truck. That was a big truck. Ooh, what kind of truck? It is a tiger truck. Careful.
Real.
Right down in there.
Wow, yes.
That's a big one.
Yes.
It walk over here. I'm not sure to see it. Tigers, tapir walk through here like crazy. This is their territory. And right in that tree, some one of them over there, baboons live as well. Or at least it was there while my dad was under the tree. He was sitting down and he looked up and there was a baboon right above him. Lots of wildlife. I would really need my dad to tell you guys what this is, but this is some kind of mold or fungus. This comes on the rice every once in a while from bugs, sucking it out. Right here, stuff growing on it. After a while, if you don't harvest the rice soon enough, see there's bugs. Don't know where it got to, but anyways, there's bugs in between the rice and they're sucking out. See, this is all trash. Some of this is dry trash. They suck it out dry and then there's no rice. So we need to harvest this before. See, there's a lot of little bugs. Harvest it before it gets too bad or else we won't get any rice. Have you ever wondered how videos could look so peaceful, so picture perfect? My videos aren't that awesome, but I was just sitting here watching this video over before I posted it, and I decided to do a voiceover. First off, this video was supposed to go out like I think 3 weeks ago or more. It never did go out. This rice harvest had been a tough one, and all rice harvest has its ups and downs, but it seems like this year it just really took a toll on everyone. And stuff broke down, people got sick. We didn't have the energy, the motivation, whatever it needed to go on. But thanks to the boys, all the boys, the workman, my brother, my husband, and even my dad. My dad was down for a while, a long time, and all praise and glory goes out to God for, helping him rise above his struggles and his sickness and brought him back. And even if the outcome was different, we still need to give God all the praise and glory. So for those out there that are struggling and somehow run across this video, life isn't perfect. It may seem so in the videos, and that's the reason why I created this channel, is to bring peace into someone's life. And I don't want you guys to think that we always have a perfect life, you know, because we don't. And we all have our struggles. We may be going through totally different things. But God is God is going along with us. He's walking through this fire with us, and He's not leaving our side. And we need to always stay focused on that God isn't on the side. He isn't busy with other people. I find myself, I am personally struggling with some health issues, and I find myself thinking once, or more than once I should say, where is God? You know, seems like everything is just going out of control. And I had to pray and ask God for forgiveness, because He never left my side. He was always walking beside me, or not only me, everyone, and not only my family, but everybody out there. He never left our side. And I want to encourage you guys to keep on looking to Him. It doesn't matter what culture you're from, what religion you're from. Find peace in God, and everything is gonna be okay. And even if it doesn't turn out the way we wish it would turn out, or we hope that it would turn out, God has a purpose, and He has a plan, and He has a reason. And I was listening to this one preaching. The guy said that if, like with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, if there wasn't a fire, and if there wasn't this situation, if they didn't go through that fire, there wouldn't be a story, a great story, encouraging story to tell, you know. So it's the same thing in our lives. If we don't go through trials and tribulations and find God and allow God to go through it with us, we won't have a great testimony, a great story, and we won't be able to encourage others and grow stronger with Him. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm hoping that we will be back with more videos as soon as I'm feeling good. The rest of the family is doing better, and I am doing better. So I have a lot to be thankful for. Every single time I'm feeling down, I always think about others that may have it worse than I do. And you guys should do the same and pray for them, and even if you don't know them. So anyways, I hope that my next video will be a more positive one and more uplifting one. Maybe this will be an uplifting one for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave it in the comments below if you did. I'd really like to hear your feedback. And if you are struggling with something and you need prayers, leave it in the comment and we'll do so. You guys have a wonderful week or day whenever I do post this video. Bye.